Portraits on Location photo tour. Yes.
Situation. So you can see where is the lighting is located.
Behind.
At the back of the subject, right? You can see it by the direction of the shadows. On portrait mode, you have the portrait lighting feature, which allows you to make your subjects brighter. On lighting, what people like to do is to place the lighting in front of the subjects. But they thought that
We have a big group today. It's like 15 people. Big group, big group. Hey, here's some of the photos that me and my big group of classmates made today. So this first one is Bilal. He's from Paris. He lives in Dubai now and he's visiting Malaysia right now. And this is Andrew, the 17-year-old I have made the TikTok with yesterday. He was back in class today. Yes. And then Micah is part of the group today. He's from Brunei. So it was really cool to meet people from all over, of course. And Micah was like our model for the day. This was him in front of the background. And this was me using Zoom and backing up to make the background bigger. And there's Bilal again, playing around outside. So we were inside and then we were outside. And then here I am. These are some candidates that people caught of me and a couple that I caught of myself, namely me in front of the leaves and then me in front of the TRX building in the background. Those are our photos. It was so fun. And so after we took the photos inside and outside for like an hour, we came indoors and the teacher showed us how to edit the photos, walked us through that. And here's my before picture. This is the one I took and this is the before. And then here it is afterwards, after I edited it. And then we gave our number one photo to the teacher and he put it up on the big screen. Here's that presentation of our photos on the big screen. Enjoy. Ready?
now, let's start with the very first photo for today. Right. Okay. Now let's start with the first photo. It's a candid photo, right? Let you see. I have this photo over here. Oh, right.
Hey.
You know what I like the most about this photo? There's lines, and also the composition is spot on. Right? Because whenever that you have a subject that not looking straight to the camera, but looking on the side, you wanted to put some distance in front, which is something that you do. It shows a lot of motivation on the subject. What do you think, Alif?
Oh, so one thing I like about this photo is you have given a very ample nose room, right?
Ooh.
So it just makes the photo in a very good roll of tape composition, and your eyes just draws to it without you even trying hard to analyze the photo. So that's the beauty part of rule of tape in photography.
Alright, great job. I think this photo belongs to Raven. Let's give her a round of applause.
Thank you.
Right. Great job. Okay, ready for the next one?
Yes.
This is the next photo that I have. There you go.
Hey.
Ooh.
Who is that guy?
I like how natural the photo looks. Yeah? I
Yes.
also like the fact that some of our participants today started to make friends with each other.
Yes.
Right? They're like already friends from the start.
Yes.
Right. And what I like about the photo is expression. So it looks very nice and candid. It looks very sincere. Right? With some things that sometimes it's quite hard to replicate if you just get someone to smile on the camera.
Yes.
Right. What do you think, Alif?
It's not the natural portrait in terms of camera angle. You can see is come from the bottom part,
Low angle.
low
yeah?
angle. So it just makes the photo look like grand in a way because you look up at something.
Yeah, and you can see the lines in the background as well, the leading lines that makes up the shot.
Yes.
Great job. Okay, let's look at into the next. This photo belongs to
Andrew.
Yes.
Yes. Good job, Andrew.
Good job, Andrew. Next, let's look at into the next photo.
Hey.
Ooh,
Got our natural model.
Right? So I like
He's
this
a
photo
model.
because of the foreground effects. It
Yes.
also put a lot of emphasis to the subject, which is very, very cool. And I like the way that you are editing your greens, because green, for me, is very hard to edit. Because sometimes you take a photo of green also it's quite difficult. But I think the green is spot on nice on this photo. And also
Yes.
a bit of the sunset vibe in the background. It
Yes.
makes everything looks very nice and cool.
Yes.
Right. Okay, I think this photo belongs to Bilal.
Bella.
Yeah?
Woo.
Yeah.
Good job.
Photo, I do believe it times 2. So it makes the background compress a bit so you can see the 118 tower.
Yeah. Nice.
Okay, now let's get into the next photo. I believe we have 6 more. Yeah. The next photo is this one.
Oh, so
Wow.
sweet.
Alright,
So pretty.
So, this photo has a leading lines, but the leading line is, for me, I like to call it something like rebellious. Right, it goes into a different direction, but it looks cool. It looks very edgy on the photo. It is something that I like. Right, sometimes it's not easy to replicate these effects, but I think this photo do it very nicely. Right, Alif, do you have any?
No, it's symmetrical. It's smack in the middle.
Yeah.
But it helps to, like you said, the leading line is not the traditional leading line. It just is so edgy. It keeps popping up without you even trying hard to place the subject.
That's
Yes.
true. Right. So congratulations. I think this photo belongs to. Yeah.
Ah, good job.
Good job. Okay. Next photo. Ooh, there's another one. Oh wow.
Moody. K-pop.
Yeah.
It's a K-pop.
I always like. I'm always like a big fan of this one-sided lighting like that. It makes the subject looks even more 3D. Right. It's almost like in a scene of a movie. Right. And the character is like contemplating
Yes,
something.
very much
Yeah.
thinking
Right.
deep.
This kind of photo tells a lot of stories. Just sometimes I always like to say, like whenever you take photo, it's like you wanted to tell a story based on visuals. Right? It does a lot. It gives you a lot of emotion as well. It's a great job. All right. Yeah, let's give another big round of applause. Okay, let's look into the next one. So we have this photo over here. There you go.
Hey.
Alright. The cityscape. How you
He
learn
was the
on how
model.
to make the background look bigger. And what I like the most about this photo is the contrasting colors. You can see the background is cool, but the subject is a bit warm. Right? Whenever you have this kind of contrast, it makes the photo look even more interesting after the edits. Right. I think this photo belongs to Ibrahim. Yeah?
Hey, good
Nice,
job.
good job.
If you can see on his left cheek, a little bit of red light.
Yeah.
So if I saw the photo from his phone, it's a bit darker. So it looks much more dramatic.
Yes.
Great job to bring out the perfect lighting of the shot.
Yes.
We also have another photo, right?
Hey.
Hey, that's so good.
Yes.
Right? So I think you hit the sweet spot when it comes to the colors, right? So the expression also is very nice and genuine. So I like this photo a lot as well. What do you think, Alif?
Like this now, it's the same location, I believe. But what makes the difference is the feel, the look and feel of the photo. Different type of editing. So if you are going for that dark, edgy kind of thing, it works. And if you want something like very bright and cheerful, it works as well. Same location, same type, but different kind of perspective and view based on this editing.
Yeah.
So that's why some photographers, they just cannot stop shooting. Sometimes, like for example, like myself, if I go into one location, my favorite location, I always go there every single time, every weekend, just to see the different views that I can get. Alright, great job. Is it the was taken from our in-house model today?
Yes, Micah.
Good job.
Good job.
Okay, we have 2 more. Next one is this one.
Oh.
Such an impactful
So
visual,
good.
yeah?
Wow.
This one looks like a movie poster. already.
Yes.
This is like a sci-fi.
Wow.
Right. So the techniques being used this photo, it was the framing.
Yes.
Right? When he frames the subject.
Yeah, it's
using
dramatic.
the
So good.
Right? When people see this photo, it automatically focuses on the subject.
Yes.
Right. Good job for applying this way. I think the photo was taken by Google. Yeah?
Good job.
Portrait can
Yeah.
never go wrong.
Yeah.
I like it so much. Good job.